Eating spaghetti, it's coming out of my nose, it's getting all over my clothes. Eating spaghetti. Eating green peas, trying to eat more. Oh no, I've peed on the floor. Eating green peas. Eating pizza, dripping with lots of cheese.
Can I have some more?
What's the magic word?
Please.
Eating pizza. Eating spicy curry, oh it's really nice, but I'm not a fan when it burns twice. Eating spicy curry. Eating yellow bananas, they are so good for me, I can act like a big monkey. Eating yellow bananas. Eating big boogers. In trouble with my mother because I tried to feed them to my brother. Eating big boogers. Yuck. Eating lots of cake, yummy in my belly. Eat so much it makes you go smelly. Eating lots of cake. Eating different things, there's enough for everyone, but in the end it has to come out of your wages. Eating different things. Who likes to eat? Me too. This is a really, really silly song. Do you like silly songs? And you like eating, so this is a silly song about eating. It's a double whammy. Eating spaghetti, it's coming out my nose, it's getting all over my clothes. Eating spaghetti. Put up your hand if you've had spaghetti come out your nose. Gotcha. Eating green peas, trying to eat more. Oh no, I peed on the floor. What? Eating green peas. But you know what I mean. I dropped a pea off my plate onto the floor. Yeah. It's called an escapee. Hey. Who likes pizza? Eating pizza, dripping with lots of cheese. Can I have some more? What's the magic word? Please. Eating pizza. What's some other magic words? Bacon. Bacon's not a magic word. Oh, thank you. It's a good one. Yep. And what about abracadabra? Smarty pants. What about excuse me? Yep. And pardon me. Very good. Eating spicy curry. Oh, it's really nice, but I'm not a fan when it burns twice. There's one for the parents. Eating spicy curry. Who can guess what my favourite fruit is? Just yell it out. Apple. No, I like apples. Wait. Hold on. Who said bacon again? Bacon's not even a fruit. Oh. Who said banana? Banana is my favourite fruit. What animal famously eats a banana? A monkey. In a second, I'm going to ask you to act like a monkey. Do you think you can do that? Eating yellow bananas, they are so good for me. I can act like a big monkey. Go. Eating yellow bananas. What? What? There's something behind me. Where? There? No, you're tricking me. What is it? Over here. No, there's no monkey behind me. Are you sure? You're tricking me. There's no monkey behind me. What? There is a monkey behind. Why didn't you tell me there was a monkey behind me? He's got my sunglasses. Say hi, monkey. Say bye, monkey. See you, monkey. Wow. Woo-hoo-hoo. I didn't know you had monkeys here at the primary school. Yeah, he's still got my glasses. They're expensive glasses as well. Who thinks that was a real monkey? Put up your hand. Put up your hand if you think it was one of the students with a mask on. Oh, nothing gets by, you guys. I'm trying to improve the act. So what gave it away? What made you think it wasn't a real monkey? Hang on. Did you say because monkeys don't wear clothes? So do you think that would be more convincing if he did it again but without his clothes on? We can't do that. No, we can't. Maybe we'll just give him a suit. That's a good idea, right? Just a suit, a better suit. Yeah. Eating big boogers. Oh, in trouble with my mother, 'cause I tried to feed them to my brother. Oh, eating big boogers. You wouldn't do that, would you? Who likes cake? Eating lots of cake. Yummy in my belly. Eat so much makes you go smelly. Eating lots of cake. It's all the sugar. Eating different things. There's enough for everyone, but in the end it has to come out of your wages. Eating different things. Big round of applause for our monkey, please. Wow, did you know that we had monkeys in Queenstown?